Protein is a very trendy nutrient right now, whether you're trying to build muscle or eat more plant-based. And most people don't have an issue meeting their needs, but there are a lot of misconceptions about what foods actually contain protein, besides the usual suspects like meat and eggs. Here, we'll dive into what protein is, why you need it, and some foods that might have more protein than you think. What is protein and why do we need it? Protein is a macronutrient, like carbs and fats. It's the building block for muscle, and it's found in every cell in our body. It's important for keeping our muscles, bones, and body tissues healthy and functioning. Beyond building strong muscles, protein is important for bone health, healthy blood flow, digestion and absorption of nutrients, and skin and hair health. It's the main component of keratin and collagen, which helps strengthen these cells. How much protein is in an egg? Eggs are one of the most affordable protein sources in the grocery store, especially when you think about the per serving cost. And they're super versatile. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein, and over half of that comes from the yolk, so make sure to eat the whole thing. Here are 10 meatless options that have more protein than a large egg. 1. Quinoa. 1 cup of quinoa has about 8 grams of protein. It's also one of the rare plant-based sources of complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids that our body doesn't make itself. It's also packed with fiber and it cooks quickly, so it's super versatile and a healthy whole grain to add to your meals. 2. Tofu. 3 ounces of tofu has 8 grams of protein. It's a great vegetarian and vegan-friendly option. It's super versatile and comes in a variety of textures, so you can choose whatever type is best for what you're making. Silken tofu is great for smoothies and softer dishes, while firm tofu can help add protein and texture to stir-fries and soups. 3. Cheddar cheese. 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, about the size of a domino, barely edges out eggs with 6.5 grams of protein. Though it's gotten a little bit of a bad rep in the past because of its saturated fat and sodium content, cheese is packed with protein and calcium and boasts some impressive health benefits. It can help reduce heart disease and diabetes risk, it supports longevity, and can even help you gain strength. And obviously, it's delicious, solidly one of my favorite foods. But remember, the size of a domino. 4. Almonds. A quarter cup of almonds packs 7 grams of protein. Almonds are also packed with fiber and good-for-you fat, so they're great for stopping hunger in its tracks. Try adding slivered almonds on top of salads, on parfaits, or spread almond butter on your toast. Pro tip, if you have the time, toasting your almonds in a pan or in the oven before you use them really deepens their flavor. 5. Black beans. A half cup of black beans has 8 grams of protein. Beans are touted as one of the best foods to eat for longevity. They're also packed with fiber, antioxidants, and several important nutrients our bodies need to thrive. Stir them into soups, use them as taco fillings, blend them into dips. Basically enjoy them however and whenever you feel so inclined. We all should be eating more beans. 6. Chickpea pasta. 2 ounces of chickpea pasta has 14 grams of protein. There are several pasta dupes on the market that swap out traditional flour for another type of flour for one reason or another. Swapping in chickpea pasta in place of traditional pasta can help you add protein and fiber to your next dish. To be clear, this doesn't mean you should avoid traditional pasta. It definitely has its place, and chickpea pasta is not a one-for-one substitute. But if you eat pasta often, it could be worth swapping in to up your fiber and protein intake. 7. Greek yogurt. 1 cup of Greek yogurt has 23 grams of protein. That's more than 3 ounces of chicken. Greek yogurt is strained to remove the extra whey. This is the main reason that it differs from regular yogurt, and this process also helps concentrate the protein that it has and results in a thicker texture. Greek yogurt is great to swap in for regular yogurt, but also is a good substitute for sour cream and mayo in more savory dishes. 8. Peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter have 7 grams of protein. Yep, PB&J is a humble classic that you might not have thought of as a great plant-based protein source, but it definitely is. Similar to other nuts like almonds, peanuts boast impressive fiber and healthy fats to give this popular spread some staying power. Enjoy it on toast, with fruit, or add it in savory dishes like soup and noodles. 9. Sprouted grain bread. 2 slices of sprouted grain bread have 8 grams of protein. Most whole grain breads have around 3 to 5 grams of protein per slice, but sprouting the grains help increase their protein content and adds texture and nuttiness to each slice. Look for it in the freezer aisle of your local grocery store. 10. Pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds has 9 grams of protein. Pumpkin seeds are not just for Halloween. They can be used all year and are a great topper for salads, muffins, breads, or baked goods. They also deliver lots of fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients like zinc and magnesium, which help support healthy immune function and heart health. The bottom line is there are several foods, including a lot of plant-based ones, that are great sources of protein. Eating a variety of protein sources can help you meet your nutrient needs and better your health. Thanks for watching, and eat well.